Hi, and welcome to a new video. Have you recently upgraded your iCloud Plus storage and want to share it with your family? In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do it on your iPhone. Let's get started. Step 1. Set up family sharing. First, make sure family sharing is set up and that your family members are added. To do this, open Settings. Tap your Apple ID at the top. Select Family Sharing and tap Continue. From here, you have two options. Invite others directly or create a child account if you're a parent or legal guardian. If you choose to use the invitation link, an invitation will be sent to your recipients on your chosen platform, which can be AirDrop, Mail, among others. Once they accept the invitation, they'll automatically be added to your family group. To add more people later, tap the Add Member button at the top right. Note, you can add up to 5 family members. Step 2. Upgrade your iCloud plan. By default, Apple gives you 5 gigabytes of free iCloud storage, but this can't be shared. To share storage, you need to subscribe to an iCloud Plus plan. Here is how. Go to Settings. Then tap your Apple ID. Next, select your iCloud. Then tap on Manage Account Storage. Now tap Change Storage Plan and choose a paid plan. Make sure your device and your family members are running iOS 11 or later, or sharing won't work. Step 3. Share iCloud Plus with family. Once you've subscribed, go back to Settings and tap your Apple ID, then tap on Family Sharing. Now tap Subscriptions. Select the iCloud Plus banner. You should now see that the storage is automatically shared with your family. You can also monitor how much storage each member is using and upgrade if needed. If the subscription isn't being shared, go to Settings and tap your Apple ID, then tap on Subscriptions and then Manage Subscriptions. Ensure Share with Family is turned on. Important notes. Your personal files and iCloud data remain private, only storage space is shared. Other iCloud Plus features like Private Relay, Hide My Email, and HomeKit Secure Video are also included. Each family member keeps their own Apple ID and accesses shared features individually. And that's it! If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. See you next time, bye.